Hey, this is Don from Lang Specialty Trailers, and today we're going to do a tutorial of how to winterize your Lang restroom trailer. So winter's here. Now what do I do with my trailer? So if your trailer is equipped with a winter package or a winter light package, you want to ensure if it's out on rent that the heaters are on, you're basically plugged in the entire time and everything is running, keeping the interior of that trailer nice and warm and keeping all the water lines from freezing. If your trailer is not winter capable and you're going to store it for the winter, there's a bunch of steps we need to follow and do first before we even think about putting antifreeze in the trailer. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up all of your water lines, all the valves. You want to open them up and make sure everything is draining to one place, draining to the waste tank. After we open up everything inside of the trailer, if you want to go into the rooms, step on the toilets, make sure all the water is out, hit the sinks, hit your faucets, make sure all the water is out into your waste tank. And at that point, you want to come around to the front of your trailer, lower it down as far as you can, and open up your dump valve and drain all of the water out of your trailer. The great thing about the Lang Specialty Trailer dump valve is the dump valve is actually on the bottom of the tank, so that ensures a complete drainage of your waste tank. So the next step in the winterization process is you want to blow the water lines out. So by doing that, you want to get an air compressor. It doesn't have to be this size, but you want to maintain and stay under 60 psi. So one way to maintain your air pressure is to use a pressure regulator. We do supply one of these with every trailer. Hooking that up to the city water connection, taking your hose, hooking that up, turning on the air, making sure that all of the valves are open. You then go into the rooms, to press on the faucet and press on the flush pedal until you get air and you can hear air coming through. Now, it does help if you have a second person doing that with you. That way you're not running back and forth. So we've purged the trailer of water, disconnecting all our hoses at this point. You then want to get your antifreeze. So rule of thumb, 1 gallon per toilet. So this is a 4-station Eco Series restroom trailer. We got 4 toilets in it, so we're going to need at least 4 gallons of antifreeze. Your next step is you're going to want to take your winterization port, take the hose, you're going to stick that inside of the gallon of antifreeze, opening up valve number 5, and then we're going to turn on our water pump. And at that time, it is going to pull antifreeze into the water pump. So your partner that's working with you at that point, they can start depressing the faucets and stepping on the toilets in each room until they see the pink antifreeze. So the next step, while you're putting antifreeze into the restrooms, you want to then open up valve number 3, and what that'll do is that'll pull antifreeze from gallon and put it into the freshwater tank and the lines in the mechanical room. Okay, so we're back in the room. We have 2 options when it comes to winterizing the urinal. So you can pour antifreeze directly into the trap and filling that reservoir. Or you can take your removal tool, putting it in and pulling out the trap altogether. You can keep it inside, dispose of it if it's time to replace it. So one last thing, you do want to remember that your sinks and the drains do have a trap in them, so you do want to pour just a little bit of more antifreeze into the sink. That's how you winterize a restroom trailer. So if you have any questions or you need additional information, you can always check out our webpage under the resources tabs that has a step-by-step instructions, or please call us anytime. If you want to see more tutorial videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.